Okay, welcome viewers. Today I am going to present question and answer program on chapter 7 of international marketing. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the main goal of marketing logistics? A. Reduce taxes. B. Move products. C. Cut staff. D. Raise price. The answer for this question is B. Move products. Question number 2. Which activity is a part of physical distribution? A. R&D. B. Advertising. C. Warehousing. D. Forecasting. The answer for this question is C. Warehousing. Question number 3. Which factor affects middleman cost levels? A. Sales tax. B. Local banks. C. Market size. D. Labor law. The answer for this question is C. Market size. Question number 4. What limits middlemen's inventory in many countries? A. Cheap rate. B. High credit cost. C. Sales bonus. D. Climate change. The answer for this question is B. High credit cost. Question number 5. Which policy fits products needing fast service? Which policy fits products needing fast service? A. Broad control. B. Narrow channel. C. High markup. D. Loss network. The answer for this question is B. Narrow channels. Question number 6. When channels grow longer, what usually declines? A. Risk. B. Control. C. Credit. D. Sales. The answer for this question is B. Control. Question number 7. Why might a firm use merchant middlemen abroad? A. Full control. B. Strong loyalty. C. Lower risk. D. Higher cost. The answer for this question is C. Low risk. Question number 8. What is a key advantage of agents over merchants? A. Less data. B. Tax title. C. More control. D. Higher fees. The answer for this question is C. More control. Question number 9. When are brokers most useful? A. Legal support. B. Long contracts. C. Fast access. D. Tax filing. The answer for this question is C. Fast access. C. Fast access. Question number 10. What defines a distributor in a foreign market? A. Only buys locally. B. Controls currency. C. Sells with exclusivity. D. Works on salary. The answer for this question is C. Sells with exclusivity. Question number 11. What is a common issue with blocked channels? A. Tariff change. B. Firm exit. C. Closed access. D. Currency loss. The answer for this question is C. Closed access. Question number 12. What factors affect channel length most? A. GDP. B. Product price. C. Tax law. D. Consumer age. The answer for this question is B. Product price. Question number 13. Why did local customs affect channel design? A. Encourage shipping. B. Enforce policies. C. Restrict movement. D. Raise discount. The answer for this question is C. Restrict movement. Question number 14. What is the benefit of using home country middlemen? A. Better branding. B. Strong control. C. Simple entry. D. Global reach. The answer for this question is C. Simple entry. Question number 15. What causes channel conflict among middlemen? A. Different size. B. Product variety. C. Import quotas. D. Poor roads. The answer for this question is A. Different size. Question number 16. What must be assessed before choosing a channel? A. Retail style. B. Weather report. C. Middleman loyalty. D. Export tax. The answer for this question is C. Middleman loyalty. Question number 17. A firm wanted to image control should choose dash. A. Long chain. B. Random mix. C. Direct sales. D. Bulk sales. The answer for this question is C. Direct sales. Question number 18. Which product fits intensive distribution? A. Luxury watch. B. Office server. D. Daily ice cream. D. Smart fridge. The answer for this question is C. Daily ice cream. Question number 19. What does continuity refers to in a channel? A. Price log. B. Staff pay. C. Business lifespan. D. Trade surplus. The answer for this question is C. Business lifespan. Question number 20. Which C refers to full market reach? A. Control. B. Character. C. Coverage. D. Capital. The answer for this question is C. Coverage. C. Coverage. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you for attending this channel.